So here is a project real-time object detection using Mask-RCNN. So in this project, first I would implement this on images. So this is the image pipeline for running on images, which will fetch model from different pathways and different folders and different locations, so where trained model and trained weights are stored. Now I would implement the model on this image. So here are the results, like a person is labeled, a train is labeled, backpack is labeled, suitcase is labeled, and different persons are also labeled with the probabilities. So it is a very good model for serverless systems for producing a good output and showing different people and different objects in a very crowded space. So there is also one crowded space area of outside India where different cars are there, different persons are there. So we have implemented this project on that image also. So the results are good, like it is running, like star is for running running the cell in Jupyter notebook. So wait a minute, it would show you up in a bit. One second, it is running. Okay, here are the results. Like it is a very crowded space, and still the persons are labeled and different cars are labeled. Also the traffic light is labeled, as you can see in the image. So it's giving very good results for such a crowded space. With the mask also, it is color filled area. So let me stop this kernel and quickly run this model on live feed. In live feed, we could do that. It would capture the video and run capture its frame one by one, and each frame it would run this machine learning model and give a very good results of Mask-RCNN on a live feed video camera surveillance systems like type. Okay. So let me redirect to my stored location of my project. cdmrcnn. So the command for running this file is visualcv.py. So python 3 visualcv.py. Okay, enter. Okay, so it is using TensorFlow as backend, so it's need to be run in this shell with Python 3. Can't be run on Jupyter notebook. Okay, with Python 3 it's running. It will take a time. I'm not having very powerful laptop. I'm not using a GPU, so it's not giving very good result. Like it's giving 2 to 3 frames per minute, which is like very bad for a machine learning model. But if you can afford a good GPU or implement in a paid model, then we would surely get better results. Okay, so 1 second, it will show you up in a bit. Okay, the webcam is on. Okay, it will pop up the frame. 1 second. Okay, the frame is here. As I was saying, GPU is not there, so it's lagging a little bit. 1 second. Okay, so here is the cell phone with 85% probability. My image and my mask is also shown with 1, that is 100% probability that I am a person, and like cell phone 78% probability. So it's showing very good results for such like blur camera also. So if you are using a high quality camera with good GPU, it would surely give very good results. And it's like it can be used for surveillance and detection of like theft or some robbery or prevention of accidents from very crowded area also. That said, this is a code, like if you wanted, you can go through the code. Source code would be attached with the video. Also, that's all. Thanks for watching.